Hi, in today's video, we're going to be going over how to apply our LPR license to our Z7R camera. In addition to this, we're also going to be learning how to enable LPR on our Z7R camera as well as our MVR. Alrighty, so the first thing we want to do is go into settings. Once we're in our settings, we want to go ahead and click on LPKG. Once here, we want to go ahead and click on this box right here to enable our plugin. And the status here should change from stop to running. Once that's done, we want to go ahead and click on this car icon. And it's going to be opening up our LPR interface. So here, LPR and LPR list is both grayed out. They're both grayed out currently because we don't have a license key added. So to get our license key, we want to go to dnsipcam.com. Alrighty, and once we're logged in, you want to go ahead and select Purchase AI. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and click 30-day free trial. Here, it's going to be asking for our system ID. To get our system ID, you want to go back to the other tab. And it's going to provide us with the system ID right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it into here. And for a description, I'm going to call this test. And for the type of license we want, I'm going to go ahead and click LPR. I'm going to scroll down and select 30-day free trial. Alrighty, now it should be generating a LPR license key for us. And here it is. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it and go back into the other tab. And I'm going to paste the key into unlocking key. I'm going to go ahead and click apply, and it's going to ask us to reopen this page. Now that we have our LPR license added, we'll say our license type right here and the status of it. And we both have LPR and LPR list unlocked now. So here we have LPR list. We want to make sure that LPR is enabled. Under LPR list right here, we have our log list where we're able to see all the different cars that have come through. Here we have our denial, allow, and visitor list. For these lists, you can add and delete different license plates and cars that you want to be coming through. Now I'm going to click on alarm. And here we have our kind of zone that we can kind of change for alarm license plate detection. And here we want to make sure that we enable object classification. And in here we have a LPR allow list detection and a denial list detection. Those will come in handy once you have your LPR list created. So I'm going to go ahead and click apply right here. I'm going to double check if LPR is enabled. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck it, apply, and then reapply it. Already, there's no license plate on that car right there. So yeah, now we're going to go ahead and wait and see if any cars come by and our camera will be able to detect different license plates. So right there, you saw that it was able to detect a license plate. I'm going to go ahead and go under LPR list. And right here is going to be the one that is just detected. So yeah, now that it is working fine on this end, we want to go over to our MVR. And we're going to go ahead and go under metadata. And for metadata, we want to go under serial input and go ahead and scroll down and click channel. For metadata service, we want to go ahead and select on. And for this option right here, we want to scroll down and go ahead and select LPR. And I'm going to go ahead and check all these boxes right here. And go ahead and click apply. And the next thing we want to do is go ahead and select alarm, go to alarm input type right here and click IP cam. And for metadata pop-up right here, I would go ahead and select on. I'm going to go ahead and click apply. And now that we have this metadata pop-up enabled, and right here we have LPR enabled right here, we should be able to view different license plates that show up. Oh, one more thing, under alarm, we want to go to output, and we're going to go ahead and select channel events, and we're going to go ahead and check all these boxes right here. Go ahead and click apply. Now we're going to go back to stream. And we're going to wait to see if any cars come by. And once cars go by, it should be able to detect a license plate and it will display the license plate for us. So there you go. A car just went by and we were able to view the license plate right there. So yeah, that concludes today's video on how to enable LPR on both your camera and your MVR.